Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a nice Christmas, and today's video it's going to be a vlog, a little behind the scenes of what we do as a family during the holidays. One of my favorite things to do during the holidays is take Jaden and my family to see like a Christmas park or like a light show. I love them, and we found this one nearby and the kids had so much fun. They even have fake snow, you guys.
So I'm here watching everybody make pasteles and learning, we're at my mom's house right now.
One of our family tradition is to make our own pasteles en hojas, which is very known in Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic. And here's my grandma peeling all of those plantains and viandas. That's what we put in our pasteles. So we have to create like a masa. That's what it's called. I will try to put a recipe down in the description box in case you guys are interested, but every family makes them different. Making pasteles is definitely a tradition that I want to pass on to my family. So I am here learning the process, first of all, because you got to learn it in order to pass it. So here it's how they set up to start wrapping the pasteles. So we have ground beef and we have pork. Those are the two types that we like to make. And we use plantains, what is that called? Hojas de plátano. And there's two ways. So my mom's favorite way is to do it with aluminum foil and the hoja de plátano, and then you're gonna see my tia's way, which she likes to wrap it in this paper using some thread. So that's my mom's way. She said it's super easy and convenient and they go out fast. And here it is my tia's way. This is how she likes to wrap her pasteles. Now it is my time to wrap my first pastel ever, and my mom did such a bad job recording me, so bear with us. But oh my god, I made it. I made my first pastel. Friday night, it is 2 days before Christmas, and I just got home. Today I run some errands. So I did my hair today and I cut like a lot of it because my hair has been falling a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know. But it's growing back. As you can see, I look like alfalfa right now with all this little hair sticking out. I am hella tired. Today was a day off for me. I took Friday off to start my holiday break, but I was, crazy. I packed everything. So I'm gonna start putting gifts in Jaden's room. Jaden is with my mom right now. I'm gonna start prepping for tomorrow. I am not hosting at my house. My mom is gonna be hosting Noche Buena, and then I'm gonna be doing Christmas Day in my house, and we're gonna do like a Christmas brunch. So that's the plan, and I'm gonna just show you what I'm gonna be making now. I have some stuff here. I went to Aldi, grabbed some goodies. We're gonna make some yummy stuff. I made my coquito already, and I will put a clip here of that as well. And I'm waiting for my bestie because we're gonna watch Emily in Paris, and then we're gonna have some wine. So that's gonna be my Friday night, the silent night before Christmas. Today is the day, Christmas Eve. It is like almost 9 in the morning and I just got up. You guys, it is cold in Florida, so I'm wearing my fussy sweater and I have to run some errands this morning. I had to pick up some stuff for tomorrow's brunch, but it is cold outside and oh my goodness, I need some tea. Let's see what the temperature is. It's 46 degrees outside. 46. It's freezing. So Mama Claus went ahead and started setting up all of Jaden's gift in his room. So when he wakes up on Christmas morning, he sees everything under his tree. To Aldi and Walmart to pick up some last minute items. I needed some salmon because that's what I'm going to be making for Christmas Day's brunch, and some items there, some cookies, cupcakes and stuff like that. And I got everything that I needed, and yep, I'm back home now. It's time to make some yummy platter, a cheese board, and some snacks for the Christmas Eve party at my mom's house. So this is what I'm doing here. It's called charcuterie, but I barely know how to pronounce that word, so we're not even gonna try it. So you get the point. So here I am making like a candy cane using mozzarella cheese and tomatoes. That was so festive and cute. And here's the final look, you guys. I love making this type of platters because they really look super pretty on the table. And the best thing is everybody loves cheese, grapes, and crackers and all of that yumminess that comes within the cheese board. This is how everything looks set up at my mother's house. The party was supposed to be at my house, but my mom had so many people over that she decided to do it at her house. And we had a great time. It was just too cold to be outside, to be quite honest, but we made the best of it. And look at that lechon, you guys. It was so nice and crispy. The cuerito is my favorite part ever. Are you ready almost?
Yeah, but guess what, guys?
What?
So that's quickly. But Jordan is for him, but I don't know why. Like, it's Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So you guys, Jaden was like, "Oh my God, Jolly's still here." So I put Jolly with a little card there, so I could read it to him, and he was so excited. He was like, "What does it say here, Mom?" And I just read the card, and then we started opening his gift. And honestly, this is all that matters. I just want to see Jaden happy. I live for this kind of moments. I honestly didn't really care about my own gifts. I didn't really get a lot of gifts this year because we spent a lot doing the kitchen rental, and I'm okay with that. I'm just happy that he's happy.
So thank you, Santa, to bring me a mini iPad. This is the best day ever. I've ever seen.
Cool.
Yeah.
Jaden was done opening his gift. We headed downstairs to open our gift. I got Hobie some gift from me and Jaden, and then of course they gave me something, and he gave me some nice perfume, Bound Number 9, I believe it is called. And then my sister-in-law gave me the Gucci beauty kit. It was so nice, and he's just there opening his gift. And then I have some hot cocoa because it is freezing in Florida. I'm gonna end my blog here because we just been watching Christmas movies, laying around, and it's just been super cold here in Florida. Honestly, there's not much to do but be inside. And I wake up today with a ear aid, so my ear is completely clogged. It sounds like for my nasals. It's just the weather making me sick. So I'm just gonna end the blog here and wish you all a happy new year.